I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a movie or show from your Netflix Continue Watching section in the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then scroll down to the Continue Watching section. Step 2. Swipe to the movie or show you want to remove from the Continue Watching section, and then tap the ellipses on that specific content. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Remove from Row. A window pops up asking if you want to remove this title from Continue Watching. Step 4. Tap Remove. That movie or show will be removed from Continue Watching in Netflix across all of your devices immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.